Greetings. Today's Google Grab is resource calendars. Resource calendars are used to reserve spaces that several people want to utilize. So we will begin in the admin console by going to our G Suite, and then we're going to click on calendars. Then from calendars, we go down, scroll down to resources. And so you will add a resource, click on the big plus, not the filter, but the big plus sign, add a new resource. You can choose a category, you don't have to. We'll do other. And actually you do have to because of the asterisk. And we'll do conference room as an example. Building defined, this does not have an asterisk, so you do not need to fill out this part. What is the resource name? And I'm just going to put administrative conference room and capacity 10. Now here you can define the features if there's a projector in the room, an active panel in the room, and any other descriptions you choose to add. Again, there's no asterisk, so it's not a required field. And then that's it. You click Add Resource, and there you have it, the admin's conference room. Now, if you ever need to edit this resource, you would follow the same steps, and when you get to here, you would just click on the pencil. So then we're going to get out of here and go to our calendar. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus to add the resource calendar. Oops. We're going to add the browse resources. And you will see it didn't populate just yet, but refresh. There we go. And I'm going to add this administrative conference room calendar, and then I'll go back, and you will see here I have that calendar here is in green, will be displayed in green. So when anyone reserves the space, they will see whether or not it's being used. Now, I would suggest anyone in your building that wishes to use the space, subscribe to the calendar. And here's the other thing you need to be aware of, that when you schedule an event, I'm just going to go to more options, and I'm going to say testing conference room resource. Here's how utilization gets added to the calendar. So over here, we click on rooms, and you now see the choices are administrative conference room or computer lab. I'll click administrative conference room, and then I'm going to save it. Now you'll see that the conference room is being utilized. So I added it on my calendar, but because I selected that room, it is added on the resource calendar, which is the calendar in green. And that's it, those simple steps. So be sure to add the resource in your admin console and then subscribe to the calendar. And when anyone wants to utilize that resource, when they create a calendar event, they will then go to, again, the rooms and select that calendar event. And that's our Google Grab for today. It is resource calendars. Until next time, have a great one.